What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Holochain. What's the current price of Holo? What's the prices in the Holo? In this video, we're going to discuss, my friends. In this time, you know what? We are going to discuss the future. Holochain will give you profit in the future or not? Holochain will make you a millionaire or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. And let me show you my personal prediction, my personal opinion about Holochain. So before starting this video, first of all, you have to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, the currently price of the Holochain in this time in the market is 0.005585 USD dollar is the currently price of the Holochain. Furthermore, if we talk about the prices of the Holochain, so positive 0.73% positive change in the Holochain in the last 60 minutes. So my friends, the changes of the Holochain is going good in the last 60 minutes. The latest changes of the Holochain is going good. That's why I believe that Holochain will give us profit. Other side, my friends, the previous changes is good, but from yesterday, I think from yesterday the things in the Holochain is going good. And you know what, Holochain, you can see here, my friends, Holochain is my favorite coin. Let me show you the price chart of the Holochain. Oh, my friends, that's a big loss of all Holochain holders. Absolutely, in a previous month, in a previous week, the price of the Holochain is greatly falls down. Very wrong. You can see here, my friends, I'm very angry to see this kind of position, but don't worry. Now this time the situation is again going good. Absolutely, you will get profit if you hold for a long term. You know what, my friends, the price of the Holochain is very low price Holochain. So that's why, my friends, if you want to buy more and more Holochain, so that's good idea, my friends, buy more and more. Absolutely, if you hold for 1 year, for 6 months, so you will get a good amount of profit. My friends, we can't see what the cryptocurrencies market. Maybe tomorrow they start pump, maybe in the next hour they start pump, but my friends, that's not going that completely fast down. No, every coin fast down for some time, for 1 day, for 2 days, for 1 week, but after a week, 1 month, they again start pumping. Same like that occurs in the Holochain. My friends, in this time you need only patience. If you have patience, absolutely there's a possibility to you will get profit in the future. So please be patient, wait for the huge pump, for the quick jump of the Holochain. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about the Holochain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe every station for more news and updates videos.